Okay, now we'll see what is a ledger. Okay, so a ledger account can be defined as a summary statement of all the transactions related to a person, asset, expense, or income which have taken place during a given period of time and shows their net effect. See, what happens is whenever a transaction happens, there is a journal entry that is first recorded. After recording that particular journal entry, ledgers are prepared with the help of those journal entries. So, for suppose example, in a month many transactions took place, so a ledger account is prepared where all those transactions are recorded. Okay, so after a month we can have a summary of what exactly the transactions that took place with this particular person or with whichever account that we have prepared. So that is known as a ledger account. Okay, so it is a summary statement. Basically it is a summary statement of a person that has taken place over a period of time. Okay, whether a month, whether 2 months, whether a year. So it is for a specific period of time we prepare a particular ledger. Now there's a group of accounts is known as ledger. So whenever there is even in the group of accounts is known as a ledger. Now we'll see what are the items in the ledger. Each account in the ledger is divided into two equal parts by a vertical line. So a ledger is basically prepared by dividing it into two equal parts, and a vertical line is drawn between them, and so the left hand side is known as the debit side and the right hand side is known as the credit side of that particular account. When you will draw a vertical line, obviously there will be two sides in that account. So the left hand side is known as the debit side and the right hand side is known as the credit side. Now again, those two sides are also further divided into four columns. Okay, the first column is the column of date, and we have to write next column which is of particulars. The third one is the folio, and the fourth one is the amount. So F, we have to write F is the folio, that is the page number of the journal or the subsidiary book. So this is what is known as a ledger, and how the items are presented in the ledger. What is basically the format we have seen, like what are the columns in it. So simply this is what means a ledger. I hope if you understood the video, please do like and subscribe and share my video. Thank you.